Hi everybody, my name is Tiffany and today we're here at the Jeep Lab. This is the first video in our series, A Beginner's Guide to Off-Roading Etiquette. Today we're going to be discussing travel responsibly, which is the first tenet in the TreadLightly principles. Stop frequently and scout ahead to help with traction, balance and lower your tire pressure to where you can see a bulge. Know where the differential or the lowest point of your vehicle is. This will help in negotiating terrain and prevent vehicle damage resulting in oil and fluid spills on the trail. Maintain a reasonable distance between vehicles. Comply with all signs and respect barriers. Travel with a group or two. Driving solo can leave you vulnerable if you have an accident or breakdown. Designating meeting areas in case of separation. Attach towing cables, tree straps, or chains as low as possible to an object being winched. Let the winch do the work. Never drive the winch. When winching, always inspect your equipment. Use the right winch in the situation. Find a good secure anchor, and never winch with less than 5 straps of wire rope around the drum. When using a tree as an anchor, use as wide of a tree strap to avoid damaging the tree. Don't mix driving with alcohol or drugs. Thanks again for joining us here. And don't forget to tread lightly. And if you'd like to, you can come tread lightly with me over on Instagram.